In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use branding themes in Xero to add your logo and personalize your invoices. If you've been wondering how to enhance the professional look of your invoices, you're in the right place. Let's get started by logging into your Xero account. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, enter your email and password in the respective fields. After you've entered your credentials, click on the login button. This will take you to your Xero dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner where your company name is displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here you want to select Settings. This will guide you to Xero's Settings page. On this page, look for the section labeled Invoice Settings and give that a click. This is where you'll manage aspects of how your invoices are formatted and sent out. At this point, you'll see an option to create a new branding theme. Click on New Branding Theme. A new setup page will now open, allowing you to define the appearance of your invoices. You can customize various aspects here, from colors to styles, so take your time to adjust these settings to match your business identity. Once you're satisfied with the setup, don't forget to click on Save to ensure your changes are recorded. After saving, go to the invoice template you just created. You'll notice an options menu. Click on this to reveal more customization features. To add an extra layer of personalization, select the option to upload email logo. When this option opens, click on Browse to find the logo file on your device, choose the appropriate file, and upload it. Keep in mind that the logo you upload should ideally be in a high resolution format to ensure it looks sharp and professional on your invoices. With your logo in place, click on the upload button to finalize the process. Your personalized branding theme is now ready and can be applied to your invoices. This step won't just elevate the look of your invoices, but will also strengthen brand recognition with your clients. And there you have it, a simple way to add that professional touch to your Xero invoices with branding themes. By following these steps, you can ensure that every invoice you send out is consistent with your company's brand image. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy